Hello, and thank you for spending time with Trinity Stamps. We're going to share some of our interactive dies with you today and put them into a fall theme. I'm going to start out by using the coffee mug card die set. This is one of our best sellers, and not only does it make a coffee cup shaped card base actually, then there's an insert that allows you to place a gift card. I'm going to pair this with the Scripty Thanks standalone die set. Now here are all the pieces that I'll be using today. And I'm going to start off by opening up that card base and using some Post-it tape. You could use washi tape. And I'm going to mask off the areas that I want to make sure don't get any color on them at all. Now I'm going to use some Trinity Blending Buddy brushes and pair them with some Distress Oxide inks to add color just at the bottom of the mug. I want this to look like a fall or autumn themed project, and I have got some beautiful colors already blended on a panel here. Now I'm going to bring over the Autumn Rainbow stamps, dies, and stencil. Using some blackout ink from Ink on 3, I am stamping some of those leaves onto this panel, and I'm being mindful that I'll be able to still use the Scripty die in order to make my sentiment. Now I'm using the stencil to take just 2 areas that I want to make an additional layer. I'm going to place some leaves on top of this, but I want to have a layer underneath to kind of give some depth to the project. Now here is the first word going on, and as you can see, this is a project that adapts itself to any season, not just fall. You could use for birthdays, you could use this for all kinds of things. Coffee mugs are something that are really fun to customize to people's wants and needs. And if there's a certain flavor that they like of something, that it always goes well. So the coffee mug card die set is very adaptable. I'm going to make sure to place some of those leaves to hang off and then cut off the outside. Now placing that little area that looks like there's coffee inside and just glue it down to the front. Using a fine line black marker to just add a few black specks, and then a Copic marker to give some contours, really brings the card to life. This is a Latte Love stamp set, and I'm using a few of the pieces to put together and stamp it on the gift card holder section where it says Hug in a Mug, and I'm going to use some contrasted colors in some of the Trinity teal. Once I have this colored, then I'm going to glue it down to the inside of the coffee mug card base. And I'm careful not to put any glue around the area that's going to actually hold that gift card. And you can see that the gift card will just slide in and out really easy and so much fun. This is a really great project for people of any age, whether it's teenagers, grandkids, brothers and sisters, uncles. Perfect. I've saved some of those images and I've added them to the inside. Now I've taken and adapted this into a card, and you can see that this design, if you can make a handmade card with a certain look, you can add it to the coffee mug card die set.